Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So a number of years ago, before I built my workshop, I built a fence in my garden made out of scrap pallet wood and just any fixings that I could find lying around. I was on a really tight budget, so I didn't want to spend much money at all. And recently I decided to repair part of the fence and strengthen it with some new wood and just change the design slightly. And for that I needed to remove quite a few of the original fixings. So in this video I'm going to show you some of those fixings and we'll see how they've fared in the British weather over the last few years. Here is the pallet wood fence that I built back in June 2019, so it's almost 7 years old now. It's been out in the British weather for 7 years pretty much, and as you can see I need to repair part of it. One of the posts that I used at the time was just a piece of 2x4, so I need to replace that. I just didn't have any wood. I replaced it with a proper fence post, but as you can see there's plenty of fixings in here, so it'll be good to get a good look at some of these fixings to see how they've fared. Right, so now I've got all of the screws in this little dish back in the workshop. Let's check them out. So what I'm going to do is put them into all the different piles depending on what type of screw they are, and we'll take a closer look at them. So first off, let's start with the ceramic coated decking screws. So just for comparison, here is a brand new decking screw. You can see there's no rust on that, but all the other decking screws do have indications of rust. These are quite readily available for outdoor projects. It's quite interesting what's happened to some of these. So the majority over here, they look to be in pretty good condition. There is some deterioration on the shafts, but not much at all, and especially this area up towards the top looks pretty good. So for the time these have been in the wood, they've done a decent job. Saying that, there's three over here which, as you can see, are quite rusted, so the ceramic coating looks like it's completely disappeared, and now the screws are starting to rust and deteriorate. So I'm not sure why those three have deteriorated while the majority haven't. Over here, these are just two smaller ones. These have done okay, but there is some rusting down here. And then there's a snapped off one. You can get the odd dud screw that snaps under pressure when you're using an impact driver, for example. But it's interesting with this one that the bottom half that snapped off is actually rusting and the top half isn't. So maybe it's inferior somehow, I don't know. In general, they seem to be working okay. I don't know what brand of screw these are. Maybe this brand is not so good as this brand, I'm not sure, but just because you buy a ceramic coated decking screw and it says on the packet that it's going to last a long time, that might not be true, as you can see here. So next up we have drywall screws. There's a few different versions here, but you can see they haven't fared well outside. At the time I was doing these projects, I was just using whatever screws I had available, so I wasn't too concerned about what type of screw I was using. But as you can see, especially this one here, the shaft is disappearing, it's rotting fast, and in several more years I think that would just deteriorate and the fixing would just fail completely. All of them are covered in rust. The black coating has disappeared, but surprisingly none of these have snapped when I've removed them with an impact driver. So they've been put in with an impact driver, removed, and even this one that's almost gone didn't snap when I removed it. But I think it's safe to say that these screws are not good to be used outdoors. So next up we've got these pan-headed wood screws with the heads that don't countersink. So these are good to grab onto the surface you kind of don't need a washer with these, in a sense. They don't have a bugle shaped head. Again, I don't think these are designed for outdoor use. As you can see, some of them have rusted considerably, like this one here and this one here, but some of them have actually done fine. So the coating, whatever's on here, has protected some of them no problem. Again, there's different types here, different brands I'm guessing, but some of them are okay, some of them are starting to rust. But I think, again, in general, don't use these outside if you can avoid it, especially in wood. So I've grouped all of these screws together because I believe they're all the same screws, so they've all come out the same packet. And it's interesting because these ones over here, there's 6 that look okay. They've got slight rusting on them, and these are just a general wood screw for light use. They're not heavy duty, they haven't got thick shafts. Bugle headed light screw. Could use them for drywall, I suppose. But these are okay, but the rest, as you can see, are quite badly rusted. And again, these would eventually fail. They're not doing too well outside in the British weather. I don't know why these ones haven't rusted, but as you can see, the majority have. Now with these screws, these are just like random wood screws, all random different screws from different brands. And again, some have rusted quite badly and some haven't. These 2 little gold ones here, with like a gold coating, they've done quite well. They're almost like new still. I don't know what that gold coating is. Seems to work well. The ones with the silver coating seem to be deteriorating, although that one's doing okay. These over here are deteriorating quite badly as well, but they're still holding up. So here are some various sized coach screws. As you can see, the big one, it's got quite a bit of rust on it. These smaller ones are rusting, although because they're so thick, I think it will take a long time for these to fail at the rate that they're rusting at. So they're doing pretty well outdoors, I think, although there's a lot of material there, so they should do pretty good. So then, what's the conclusion here? I think it's safe to say that the screws, like the ceramic decking screws, are good for outdoor use. They're designed for that. They seem to work well in general, although they can still deteriorate. And in general, the screws that are not designed for outdoor use, such as the drywall screws or light screws for woodworking, are probably not the best screw to use outside, especially in wood. Although saying that, if you're on a tight budget and you don't want to go out and keep buying new screws, as a temporary measure, these screws might be okay. But in general, try to buy the best quality screws for the job and the screws that are designed for the specific project that you're doing. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. As you saw, most of the screws did okay. Some of them completely failed. Some of them were in pretty good condition. But I suppose it does depend on your project, if it's in a lot of shade or a lot of bad weather, depending on where you live. But in general, I think it's obviously a good idea to buy the best quality fixings that you can and buy ones that are specifically designed for the job you're doing. Saying that, you can still use whatever fixings you've got if you're on a tight budget. It's just more difficult to kind of work out how long they'll last. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.